In this video tutorial you will see how to change the oil of the manual transmission of a Nissan Qashqai J11, 2013 to 2022, in just 8 easy steps. Tools and other parts required: Phillips and a straight screwdriver, 10mm socket, car jack, special key for removing the oil plug from the gearbox, clip extractor, manual oil suction pump, 2 liters of oil for the manual gearbox, container for collecting the oil, plastic clips, torque wrench. You can find all these tools and parts below in the video description. One, park the car on a flat surface and make sure the engine is turned off and cold. 2. Use the car jack to raise the car to gain access to the shield under the engine. The jack is mounted behind the left wheel, under the driver's door. 3. Unscrew the screws and clips from the plastic shield under the engine and then set it aside. Unscrew the 2 screws with a Phillips screwdriver. Unscrew the clips using a clip extractor or a straight screwdriver. You can find the clip extractor below in the video description. After removing the engine shield, you can see the oil sump plug and the gearbox plug. Be sure to unscrew the gearbox plug and not the oil sump plug. This is the special key with which you can unscrew the oil plug from the manual gearbox of the Nissan Qashqai J11 and which you can find below in the video description. Before unscrewing the oil plug, place a container or a plastic bottle under the gearbox to collect the oil. Four, unscrew the drain plug or cap from the gearbox using a special wrench. This is usually located on the bottom of the box. You can find a special wrench for unscrewing the oil plug below in the video description. Let the old oil drain completely into the container. After the oil is drained, Clean the drain plug and thread to remove dirt and debris and screw it back in. Tighten the plug with a torque wrench to 23 Newton meters. Six. Turn the steering wheel to the right to create space to unscrew the plug where the oil is poured into the manual gearbox. Install the two hoses to the oil pump that you can find below in the video description. The hose on the top is inserted into the new oil bottle and the other hose is inserted into the gearbox. The white paint shows the position of the plug on the gearbox. Seven. Using the oil suction pump, pour the new oil into the box until it reaches the recommended level. Check the user manual for the exact oil specifications. In the Nissan Qashqai J11 2019 1.6 diesel, I put approximately 1.8 liters of ELF Tranself NFX SAE 75W oil, which you can find below in the video description. Before pouring the second liter of oil, lower the car from the jack so that you can correctly see the oil level in the box. When the oil comes out, it means that it has reached the correct level in the gearbox. 8. Once the oil has been added, put the plug back and tighten it well, until it reaches the initial position given by the white dot. Start the engine and let it run for a few minutes. Then, stop it and check the oil level again through the filler plug. Make sure there are no oil leaks. Clean up any drops. 9. Reinstall the plastic shield and remove the jack from under the car. Once everything is assembled and clean, perform a test drive to verify that the gearbox is operating properly. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Tutorial Auto. Thank you for watching.